Hello, good evening. Welcome back sa ating biochemistry. This is JB Tigihanon. It's quite a long time. So may question dito, what types of molecules are the foundation of life? What types of molecules are the foundation of life? So ang sagot diyan may apat, no? There are four major classes of biomolecules that are synthesized by living systems. Ito yung una, yung ating tinatawag na nucleic, okay, o nucleic acids, no? Nucleic acids. Tapos B, yung ating protein, no? Protein. Sorry, proteins. E, proteins. And then C, yung lipids. Tapos yung siyempre yung tinatawag natin D, ito po yung polysaccharides or carbohydrates, no? Poly, marami. Saccharides is sugar din, eh. Okay? Saccharides or sinasabi natin na carbohydrates, no? Okay, so yan po yung biomolecules na siya pong foundation ng buhay. Okay, yan po yung ating apat na mga types ng molecules that are the foundation of life. Okay, yun lang po. Bye.